Kwikset unveils HomeConnect 918 and 620, everything about these new Z-Wave smart locks. Kwikset, a trusted leader in residential security and part of the ASA Abloy Group, has introduced two new Z-Wave smart locks that redefine smart home security: the HomeConnect 918 and the updated HomeConnect 620. These innovative models are equipped with Z-Wave long-range technology, which enhances homeowners' and professionals' performance, connectivity, and security. Let's learn everything you need to know about these two new smart locks before buying one. Z-Wave long-range technology. The HomeConnect 918 and 620 are designed with Z-Wave long-range technology, offering extended wireless communication distances. This feature ensures more flexibility in smart home installations, making connecting devices across large properties easier without compromising signal strength. Enhanced security. With S2 encryption, Kwikset prioritizes security. Both models feature advanced S2 security encryption, which provides robust protection against unauthorized access. This level of encryption ensures that your smart lock is safeguarded against common hacking techniques, giving homeowners peace of mind. Smart Start provisioning for easy setup. Setting up your smart lock has never been easier. The Smart Start provisioning feature allows for simplified and quick installation. Users can conveniently pair their smart locks with their Z-Wave hubs using QR codes, reducing the complexity of the setup process. Support for up to 250 unique user codes. Ideal for both residential and commercial properties, the HomeConnect 918 and 620 support up to 250 unique user codes. This feature is perfect for families, property managers, and businesses needing to grant access to multiple individuals while maintaining strict control over entry permissions.
Go to GearBrain for more information.